want to do a cheers? I wonder if I can even drink like this. I don't know.
Drink your frenzy out of it.
I kind of drink.
Try to take another sip. How'd that work out?
Well, I got half that drink. But now my bandages are kind of soaking up.
We don't even buy ourselves drinks. The bar is buying for us.
My bandages getting drunk off the wine I just filled in them.
That's right. That's
They
right.
acting all goofy.
That's right.
They just want to party, and I just want to party like them. We need to find us some fine fellas. Somebody to match us, because, you know, they're pretty boys. They ain't do nothing for me.
No, they don't know. They ain't good enough.
Oh,
for
honey,
us.
no. Look at this face. Look at it.
Look at this face.
Yeah, and I hate to say so, but look
face.
at this face. I mean, I got a heads up on you. I look much better. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I hate to say it. She's my best girl, but you can't beat this shit. Oh, no, honey.
I couldn't.
I meant to say sugar. It came out funny.
I couldn't
They're both sweet.
I couldn't use my welfare on my plastic surgery, so.
Oh, no. All you have to do is give the guy a blowjob, okay?
We don't do that up in these parts.
Uh-oh. My lips going. I shouldn't have drank so much wine because everything else is going too.
I wrestle a gator look like this.
Oh,
Have
dear.
wrestled me a gator.
Here, you want some wine too, sweetie?
Yeah.
I know you want some after
Yeah.
this. This is hard work trying to be so attractive all the time.
Hold my memory viewing camera. Gotta do this over the sinking hole.
Alright, let's see
We
this.
don't want to get no frenzy. I won't get no backslide over all over my good shit here.
Oh, I farted. That was so attractive. I'm sorry, you weren't supposed to see that. Here she is. Oh, look at that. Look, she's got it down. That's what you gotta do when you got the bandages on your face from the doctor's office. Get it done, girl. Come on. That's right. Us bitches, you can't top this shit. You wish. You wish. Look, give me a drink. Alright, that was a good drink.
I missed. It's got dang bacon in it. Tell you what.
No kidding. It's not doing the trick. We're trying to self-medicate here with our wine, but it ain't working as well as I thought it would.
Maybe it would if I had the pinky out.
Oh, let's just both do the pinky out.
Pinky
Let's
out.
Pinky, stinky pinky here.
Stinky pinky.
Here you go, ladies and
Ow.
gentlemen.
You know what you're missing.
That's some good shit.
That was hard to drink.
My face feel like I'm about to bust up.
Should we? Yeah, we don't need to be all toe up.
And you know what? We have to dedicate this night to these two ladies right here. Right there. Our pink ladies. We got some pink ladies too. They look better than that, but...
Oh God, I don't feel so. I'll just.
Oh, I think I ripped some skin off my lip.
Well, you know, pain is beauty.
I think I got some hair off my chin too.
Oh my God.
Oh! My eyes watering so bad right now.
I'm sorry.
I think we paid too much. Do you want some more drinkage?